I'm Dupree, your 2020 ABC Mississippi Chairman and President of Copeland & Johns. These are uncertain times for all of us as we deal with the effects and impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. Not only are we all concerned with the safety and health of our family, our friends, co-workers, and employees, we're all concerned about our businesses. Our country is dealing with many complicated issues caused by the impacts of the coronavirus. As you may be aware, two of ABC Mississippi's strategic goals for 2020 are: one, be an association of high trust, high collaboration, and effective communication to deliver value to our members; and two, establish ABC members as the world-class standard for health, safety, and environment in the construction industry. There will never be a better time for our members to take advantage of the many ways ABC Mississippi can provide assistance and resources to help our members through the impacts of the coronavirus crisis. ABC Mississippi's world-class safety resources has already provided many members with the tools they need to keep workers safe and healthy during the pandemic. We are an industry where safe and healthy work sites are already our number one priority. Our leaders are accountable to their companies and to each other for the safe working conditions, and we perform our jobs under the strict standards set by the federal and state agencies. Access to our projects is restricted, and work is closely supervised to ensure the safety and health of all our workers. The men and women that make a living in the construction industry value the opportunity to continue working. Many companies are taking extreme precautions to keep our projects open and productive, including those precautions recommended by the CDC, OSHA, and other agencies. Frequent sanitation, added hand wash stations, adjustments to work crews for social distancing, monitoring and screening employees' off-site activities, and other measures are necessary and becoming the standard operating procedures for most of us. Our advanced technology and the many ways that we're able to communicate allow for most of our administrative personnel to work efficiently from home. Meetings and critical communications are able to continue effectively support field operations. Service and supplier members are able to schedule critical activities with limited access to projects. ABC Mississippi remains in close communication with Mississippi's legislative and regulatory leaders, including our governor and lieutenant governor, providing assurance that ABC Mississippi stands with them as partners in the fight against the coronavirus, and the understanding that the construction industry in Mississippi plays an essential role in the state's economy. We're all uncertain how long the effects of the coronavirus will last. As ABC members and industry professionals, let us exhibit the best of who we are and what we stand for. If you or your company have any best practices of how you are dealing with the pandemic, we encourage you to share those with others through the ABC Mississippi. Many of our members have already made efforts to provide the much-needed N95 masks for the healthcare professionals, and I'm sure there are many other efforts ongoing. ABC Mississippi is willing to provide as much assistance as possible to help communicate all the needs and best practices to the entire chapter. If you have not already, I encourage you to visit abc.org COVID-19. That's abcmississippi.org COVID-19, and review all the resources available online. Please also contact any of ABC Mississippi's capable staff for assistance. ABC National also has many resources, including webinars, links to published emergency response procedures, and safety resources. These can be found at abc.org. Please join me as we pray for the safety and health of all during these difficult times. For those who have already been affected by the virus, for the healthcare professionals and first responders that put their lives on the line each and every day, and for all those working in essential businesses, especially those in the construction industry and any related jobs. Please know that ABC Mississippi chapter is willing and ready to provide any assistance possible to help. Be safe.